We're here at Star's headquarters and I'm going to quiz Steve here on basically the year that you've had and hopefully the excitement of 2022. Steve, congratulations, you're 30.
I am a little bit older than 30, but no, we are as a company 30 years old as of December the 11th.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And so how has the last couple of years been for you then?
To be truthful, pretty good really. 2020 wasn't really a massive downturn, you know the pandemic and obviously a lot of people struggled, but we carried on pretty much all the way through. We're involved in the Ventilator Challenge, which was good.
Yep.
And we've obviously got a diverse customer base that kept buying machines, so that wasn't anywhere near as bad as a lot of people had. And then this year I think has mirrored a lot of people in the industry. It's been a very buoyant year.
Yeah, and what's quite interesting is when we're out and about, and we're lucky enough to get to speak to your customers, and my question to you is, because of sliding head machines, it's not just about turn parts, it's about prismatic parts. Are you seeing a new area of customers? And how many new customers have you had? Are you seeing that change at all?
Yeah, without a doubt. I mean, that's not just this year, but over the last, I've been here near enough 22 years now. And when I first started, we sold
when you
machines.
Were 8, I'm joking.
Correct, when I was 8. Started them early up north. When I started, we sold machines to sliding head customers. There were numerous big machine shops who ran sliding heads, and it was still looked on a bit of a black art. And we made simple turned parts. That was the market. And then as the years have gone by, machine technology has improved. As you said, it's prismatic machining now, and that's opened the door to, we can knock on a lot of doors now, whereas in the older days, it was really targeted to the sliding head user.
And that's really the change of your technology as well, though.
Yeah, I mean, sliding head per se, there's a lot of people in the industry who make machines like this, and it has definitely become now a type of machinery that's really the only restriction is its size and then your thought process of what can I make on this machine. The milling machines with bar feeders behind them for some people, for others the turning machines with bar feeders behind them.
Yeah, well actually now you said that's quite interesting, because my goodness me, we are talking about automation 24/7 now, and it's almost like a sell in itself of automation that it's, we often say they're money making machines.
Yeah, no, I mean, somebody said it to me a couple of years ago, we've done automation, yes, having a magazine bar feed, unloading, but we're now putting robots onto machines. We've got a project at the moment that we're looking at for a customer where a part has to be remachined after some heat treatment, and we're looking at then being able to load it onto one of our machines, but then be able to take that facility off and then run the machine back as a conventional sliding head.
Is there an area in your industry that you really want to shout about that you don't think enough people know about?
We'd probably have an NDA if that was the case.
There is that. Okay, but more from your technology side. Yeah,
I mean, Star, like a lot of machine tool companies, are keep pushing the boundaries of keeping in that same footprint and what you can do. Technology moves on every year, and we've brought out in the last 2 years we've brought another big 38mm machine, the SX38,
yes.
But then we brought a 7mm machine out, which is the smallest Star have done. Ever. We did an SW7 many years ago, so we've now gone back down to that market, which again opens opportunities for us, whereas sometimes they'd look at other suppliers because our machines were looked on as too big at sort of 10 and 12 millimetres.
Right, and 2022, is there anything exciting that you think, right, okay, I'm looking forward to that?
Well, as a lot of people know, I don't really do exciting, but if I did, Mac for me, I'm a big believer. Obviously, we as a business have always gone to Mac. I sit on the exhibition committee. I'm sort of, very proud to be involved in that. So, looking forward to that. Again, then there's all the major exhibitions now. I went to EMO last year, which was nice. Hopefully, IMTS in September next year, and then JIMTOF in Japan. They're the sort of market, exhibitions where we as a company will look at launching new product. So, all being well, I don't know.
And you often launch a new machine each year, don't you?
We will be launching at both IMTS and then it will be mirrored at JIMTOF.
So just my final question to you then, really, is there anything that you would say to anyone out there, any engineers out there that could maybe change their minds and think, you know what, come and visit Star, come and visit your showroom, come and see you on the stands? What could you say to someone you think, that's the reason, that's what we do and we do it well?
I think this is where Paul said, I say, watch MTD videos. is that? I think that's the right thing.
That's a great cop-out. I like that one.
No,
you're right.
We've always got machines in the showroom. There's only a couple at the moment. But yeah,
because they've sold all of them. That's a good thing.
Yeah. Everything's fast-paced in engineering. Things are changing all the time and evolving. And yes, there's, I think more and more customers now are getting less and less blinkered and are prepared to look at different technologies, whereas before they were very much a milling or a fixed head or a sliding head company. They are looking to diverse, because setting and running a sliding head is no different from setting and running a fixed head. A bit of thinking different in process, but at the end of the day, it's a CNC lathe.
Well, have a wonderful 2022. I'm sure we will with yourselves as well.
Same to you. Thank you.